This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so as I told you, you take any e-commerce site, so there will be two important things. First one is product and the second one is content. So for product purpose, what do we have? For product purpose or to manage the products, okay, for product purpose or to manage the products, we have product catalogs. And for product catalog purpose, we have bunch of the tables, right? Okay, for product catalog purpose, we have lots of tables, types or tables given for us. So what are those? Like a product table, category table, catalog table, okay, prices table, like that. These are all given for us. Then what to do? We need to manage the data in that. Okay, we need to manage the data in those tables. Okay, that's it. So for this, yesterday we have created one product. We have created, okay, product. We have created a product which is nothing but RRS product 1. Now let me go to that product. So if you want to go to the product, what did I say? There is a shortcut also. You can say /p/product number. So this is the product we created yesterday. This is the product we created yesterday, and we have seen how to give the name, description, summary, okay, all these things, image, all those things. Now you can see right now I am getting a message called out of the stock. Okay, right now I am getting the message called out of the stock. Now let's fill the stock for this. Okay, so the next scenario is what? Let's fill the stock, 17th scenario. Okay, so let's assign the stock for the product. Assign the stock for the product. So what is the meaning of stock? Like a quantity. Now you need to understand one concept. Assign the stock for it. So right now we are getting out of the stock. You can take a print screen of it and see. After we doing this, we will not see this message. So right now you can see we are getting out of the stock. Now I need to assign the stock. If you want to assign the stock, you need to understand one concept. I need to assign the stock for which website, or this product is available in which website? Apparel UK website. And Apparel UK website, every website is associated with what? Base store, right? Every website is associated with the base store. For Apparel UK, we have Apparel UK base store. Apparel UK base store. And every base store, okay, every base store is assigned with the warehouses. And in the warehouse, we have the quantities. Warehouse. In warehouse, we will have the quantity stock. In warehouse, we will have stock. So this is the concept. This is the concept. Now let's understand this one. So as I said, this is the Apparel UK website. Let's go to the back office, and you can see this is the Apparel UK website. Let me open the Apparel UK website. This is the Apparel UK website, which I am trying to access here. Okay, I'm just trying to open this, and every website will have the base store. Now what is the base store for it? Apparel UK base store. You can see, yeah, you can see base store, Apparel UK base store. I am opening this, and the base store is mapped with the warehouses. To understand what is the meaning of warehouse, warehouse is like a godown. Now tell me, do I have only one warehouse, or I can have multiple warehouses? So let's take the example of Bajaj Electronics. Bajaj Electronics is having only one godown, or they have multiple godowns? Multiple godowns. So we can have n number of warehouses. So that's why once you go to the base store, you can see warehouses are mapped. Now we can have n number of warehouses. Now same product can be available in multiple warehouses, right? Same product can be available in multiple warehouses.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so that's why you can see these are all the different warehouses available. You need to remember this because for these warehouses only you need to configure the stock. So therefore, for this website, okay, for apparel UK website, and these are all the warehouses. So now in these warehouses, I need to put my product. So that means I need to put the RRS product here or here, something like that. So that's the relation. Okay, I need to put the product in this warehouses with the quantity. Now let me see how do I do that. So therefore, what is the relation? Every website will have the base store will have the warehouses, warehouse will have the product. Warehouse will have the product with stock. Will have product with the stock. Okay, so therefore, what are the warehouse names? You need to remember the warehouse names. So we have a AP underscore warehouse underscore yes, south, east, west, like that are there. So therefore, now let me go to the product cockpit. Let me go to the product cockpit and open the product whatever we created. So what is the product we created? And we created that in the apparel site or apparel store. Let's go to the apparel store, apparel product catalog, and go to the staged version and search for it, RRS product 1. So this is what we created yesterday. Now for this, right now stock is not there. I want to put the stock. So if you want to put the stock, you can see there is a stock option here. There is a stock option here, and go here and assign the stock level. Okay, go here and assign the stock level. Now this is the product we created. You can see it is not available in any warehouse. So therefore click on plus symbol. Now product code. What is the product code we created? RRS product 1. Then warehouse. What are the available warehouses? Tell me. AP underscore south, north, all these things are there, right? So AP underscore warehouse. Let's say east. In the east warehouse, I am putting 12 quantity. Say done. Say done. Similarly, I will put a same product in one more warehouse. AP underscore warehouse. Okay, east, let's say north. Then here I am putting 13 quantity. Say done. Like this, I have put the same product in multiple warehouses with a different quantity. And say done. And you can do the sync because we have done the changes in the staged version, and you can do the sync. Now come here and observe here, please. Refresh it. Am I getting the quantity? Am I getting the quantity?
Yes, Chenna.
Yes. So therefore, there are 25 stock available. There are 25 stock available. Now let's observe one more feature. So earlier no stock. Now stock is coming. Earlier no stock, but now stock is coming. But let's observe one more feature. And you can also see you are getting add to bag. You can see you are, because stock is there, that's why you are getting add to bag. That means add to cart functionality is available once you have the stock. That's good. Now let me show you one more option. I'll go to the stock again, stock level. I'm just removing this whatever I added because I want to show you one more. So right now, so this is available in 2 warehouses, 13 plus 12, 25 quantity. That's good. Now what happens if your company says, hey, don't worry about the quantity, just let them place the order, I will take care of the quantity. So there are so many companies like that, right? So they don't worry about the stock. You don't worry about the stock, let them place the order, I will fulfill it. Whatever quantity they ask, I will fulfill it. Assume that that is the requirement. If that is the requirement, then what to do? See what is the difference here. Right now, you are getting the stock with the exact quantity. You are getting the stock with the exact quantity. Now, I don't want to specify the quantity, but make it available. That's it. So for that, what I will do, whatever I added, I will delete it first. I'll add again so that you will see the difference. So I just deleted. Now I am adding again RRS product 1 and in the warehouse AP underscore warehouse yeast and I'm putting 12 quantity. Let's go to the next. There is something called stock in force. Stock in force, and you can also specify next delivery date, all those things if you want, and you can specify the release date. So that means this stock will be available on this release date or on this date, like that. This is the delivery date, this is the release date, like that. If you want, you can specify, but for now I'm just specifying force in stock. So say done. Now let me go and add the same product to another warehouse. Okay, another warehouse, let's say not warehouse, with 13 quantity, and go to the next and specify force in stock and say done. Okay, now this product is available in 2 warehouses with force in stock. Okay, now you can trigger the sync. Now come here, see the difference. Earlier what happened, I did not select force in stock, that's why it is showing exact quantity. Now I will refresh it. What you are seeing now? What you are seeing now?
Available online.
Available online, that's it. That means you don't worry about the quantity, we'll take care about the quantity. Is that clear? What is the meaning of that force in stock? That is a nice functionality here. Is that clear now? Because some of the companies, they don't show the quantity because they know, so whatever quantity customer pays, they can able to give it, or they can produce it, give it. So if that is the situation, go with the force in stock. If that is the situation, go with the force in stock, and so on, so on, so. That's it. So this is how you can configure the stocks. This is how you can configure the stocks. Good. Next, one more point is, if no stock, so please understand its functionalities. If no stock, then am I having a add to cart?
No.
No stock, add to cart? No. Then if no price, am I going to have? Okay, so am I going to have add to cart? No, that we observed. So let's say if no price. Okay, if no price, am I going to have add to cart? Okay, let's see this one. So right now, add to bag, add to cart, both are same here. Add to bag, add to cart, both are same. Okay, add to cart, add to bag, both are same. Okay, that's good. Now let me do one thing. I will go to this product and remove the prices. I'll go to the product and remove the prices. Then you can see how the functionality appears. Okay, so I click on save. Now there is no price for this product. Do the sync. Now come here. You can see available, but you are not getting that button here because there is no price. So therefore, as per the OOTB functionality, as per the OOTB functionality, if you want product for shopping, then minimum price row is required. Price can be zero. Price can be zero, but minimum one price row is required. Is that clear? So to have cart checkout functionality, so we need to have product with minimum one price row, and that can be zero also, no problem. This is very nice functionality you need to remember. So why I am telling this functionality is, let's go with the telecom industry here. In the telecom industry, when you add the item to cart, do you pay postpaid? Let's say you are taking the postpaid product. So if you are taking the postpaid product, do you have the price for it, or based on the usage you will get the price?
Based on the usage.
Based on the usage you will get the price. So in that case, that product should have price row with what? Zero value.
Zero value.
That product will have price row with zero value. Then based on your usage, you will get the bill and pay it. That's why I'm telling this functionality clearly. Please remember that. That's it. Now let me go and add the price again quickly. So I'll go here. So let's say price is 123. Currency is what? Apparel means GBP. Okay, scale is pieces, and say done. Click on save and do the sync. Click on save, do the sync. Now go here, refresh it. Now I think sync is not completed. Now you can see everything is good. Now you can add the item to cart, all those things. You can add item to cart, all those things. That's good. So next, a product can have, can you please pay attention here? Next scenario is what? Scenario number 18. So product can have variants, right? Right now, is this the base product or it is having the variants? Is it the base product or it is having the variants?
Base product.
It is a base product. So now let's see how do we configure the variants for it. So a product can have the variants. Now let's see how to configure the variants. Variants means flavors. Okay, let's say if we take the Nike t-shirt, Nike t-shirt is available in the small size, white color with style is what? Round neck, slim fit, like that. Those are all the flavors. So therefore a product can have, okay, a product can have variants. So right now no variants. Can you please pay attention? Can you please pay attention? Just observe this here. I'll take a print screen of this. At this point of time, no variants. If no variants, base product is sellable. Okay, at this point of time, no variants. If no variants, base product is sellable, right? So this is the base product and this is the price, and add to cart is available. Add to cart is available means we can sell it. So right now this is the base product, no variants. Now let me configure two variants. Now as I told you, variants will have same price or can be different price. Variants can have same price or different price. Let's say right now RRS
Different price.
is the base product, and I shown you it is available for selling. Then RRS, okay, RRS product 1, variant 1. So let's say I want to configure the price. So what is the price I configured for this base one? 123, right? For base product I configure 123. Just that's what I put the screenshot here to make you understanding. Now I'll configure a variant 1. So let's say variant 1 is what? Samsung Galaxy. So you can visualize like this. Let's say Samsung Galaxy blue color. Okay, Samsung Galaxy blue color. Let's say it is available with $121. Then I want to go with one more variant, Samsung Galaxy product 1 only, but variant 2, which is the there is a 13,000, 14,000 like that difference is there, and blue color is less, right? 1,000 rupees less. What is the other color which is 1,000 rupees more?
Gold.
Brown color. Huh?
Gold, I think.
Gold color. Okay, I don't know, but yeah. So let's assume that this is the 125. So base product price is something, variant price is this one, variant 2 price is this one. Now let's configure the two variants and observe the difference. I'll go to the back office. You can see there is a variance. Okay, now you can select the variant type. We already created one variant, right? Variant type. I just selected this. If you want, you can create one more, but we already created, right? I'm just using that. So click on save. Now go here. So RRS product 1, variant 1, and I need to approve this, right? I need to approve this. Then catalog version is what? Apparel product catalog staged version. And click on next. RRS product 1, variant 1. Okay, RRS product 1, variant 1. Okay, variant 1. Something you can give it. Description. Okay, click on next. And I don't want these images and all. Anyway, we already seen how to map the images. For now, I'll say done. Similarly, let me create one more RRS product 1, variant 2. RRS product 1, variant 2. Approve it. Apparel product catalog staged. Click on next. Then RRS product 1, variant 2. So you can say description and say done and click on save. Like this, you have the two variants. Now these variants, I want the prices. Right now, this is not having the prices. If you want to see the results, you can see the results. I'm just doing the sync right now. Okay, go here, refresh and see. Can you observe this one, please? Can you see this one? What is happening? Earlier, what happened? Exactly 123 was showing. Exactly 123 was showing. Now, what is the label is coming?
From
From 123. Now you can see variants are available. But that variants are not having the prices. That's why it is not showing. Now let me assign the prices, then you will see the difference. Let me assign the prices for that variants. Okay, for first one, what is the price we want? 121, right? For first one, we want 121. For second one, we want 125. So go to the prices, go here. So 121 and GBP, units is pieces. Say done. Click on save. Now come back and go to the second one. Go to the second one and go to the variants. No, not variants, prices, right?
price.
Prices. Add a price. No, this is the discount. Where is the price? Yeah, price. Okay, go here. Assign 125 GBP pieces and say done. Click on save. Now come back and do the sync at the product level so that it will take care of the variance. Now, can you come and refresh here, please? Can you come here, refresh? Now, do you see the difference?
Yes, the minimum to
Okay.
maximum
So
value.
right now I selected what? Base product. Now tell me, will it have the add to cart? Now tell me, this base product will have the add to cart? I'm asking the question.
Yes.
Now this base product, earlier base product was having add to cart. You can see. Now I have the variants for it. Tell me, will it have the add to cart?
No.
No. So you can see nothing is there. See, all this nice functionality is already given. So this is having the flavors. There is nothing to buy called a RRS product 1. RRS product 1 with blue color you can buy. You can see now this is having the, so anyway stock is not there here. You can assign the stock, then you will get the add to cart. Similarly, you can go and select the 121, then you will get the add to cart once you have the stock. But if you go to the base product, definitely you will not sell. Now base product is not sellable. Do you see the clear conclusions now? So once you configure the variants, then base product is not sellable. So that means no cart, no checkout. Clear, everyone? Once
Yes,
you once we configure, once variants are configured, once variants configured, Goran, can you please go on mute? Goran, you need to go on mute. There is a background noise. I just muted for you. Okay, so therefore, once you configure the base product or once you configure the variants, once variants are configured, then base product is not sellable. So these are all the functionalities given for us. Okay, and so on, so on. So next, that's about this one. The next one is, okay, so the next one is, let's say you are giving the reviews and ratings. Let's go with the reviews and ratings. Let me go to the base. This is the base product. Okay, so you came here. So let's go with the next scenario. Scenario number 19, reviews and ratings. Sweta, do you have any questions? If no, please go on mute.
I'm unable to mute myself.
Yes, I will do it for you. Okay, thank you. Okay, so the next one is reviews and ratings. So let's say, okay, can you please understand this? And SAP Commerce OOTB provides reviews on SAP Commerce out of the box. Out of the box, we get okay reviews and ratings. But in real time, mostly we go with the third-party integration. Third-party integration. So one of the famous integration for reviews and ratings is BazaarWise. Did anyone read the paper today? You see, the Indian government is taking some action on the e-commerce sites. Did you read the news today? Today means yesterday for India people.
No, Chenna.
So the news is that okay, in the e-commerce sites, there are some fake reviews and ratings. So that they want to centralize it basically. Why fake and because people can go and simply write their own reviews and ratings. So that's why. So what I'm trying to say that here 2 points you need to understand here. Here 2 points you need to understand. SAP Commerce OOTB provides reviews and ratings, but in real time mostly we go with a third-party integration. One of the third-party integration for reviews and ratings is what? BazaarWise. One of the integration here. One of the integration, not only just this is the integration. So one of the integration for reviews and ratings is BazaarWise. Then you can ask a question: why third-party integration is required? Why third-party integration is required? So let me ask a question. So we have something called what is that? Biryani. Okay, let's say we have Hyderabad biryani, right? So what is that? Shagos or something. Okay, let's take the Shagos. They have their website, right? And do you believe the reviews and ratings on the Shagos website reviews ratings, or do you believe more on the Zomato or some third-party places? Which is more you believe? So I am asking the question.
Zomato.
You can see the review. So let's say you want to take the biryani from the Shagos. You want to take the biryani from Shagos or something else, or Paradise Biryani. So you want to take the Paradise Biryani. Then if you go to the Paradise site, there also you can see the reviews and ratings. Or if you go to the Zomato or some other place also, you will see the reviews and ratings about that particular product. Now, which is more you believe?
Zomato.
Why?
Because maybe Paradise, they may write their own, like that we feel.
Yes, okay, very good. So the reason is, so if you see the Paradise, they have the control on the database. That's what I just said before starting this explanation. So there was a news on the yesterday. There was a news on this yesterday where e-commerce sites are putting their own reviews and ratings, which is not good. Again, it's depends. We are not telling that they are putting or not, but definitely there is a news on the news channel, not news channel, newspaper about these reviews and ratings on the e-commerce site. So now if you take the Zomato or some other system or some other site, they are not specific to Paradise, they are not specific to Sagos and all. Definitely mostly they don't maintain. Okay, if they take that website also and go and write it, that is a different story altogether. But mostly they don't entertain those things. That's why we will go with the third-party integrations. But let's understand how OOTB reviews and ratings are given. So right now, let's say RRS, or let's say right now Chenna is giving reviews and ratings for RRS product 1. So let's see. Right now, Chenna is giving reviews and ratings for RRS product. So I'm just adding here. So I click on this. So let's say title is what? Good product. Okay. So I have taken this product 1 year back and all good so far. This is the description I have given, and I'm giving 5-star rating. If you want to give the name, you can give Chenna RRS the name and submit the review rating. So I submitted it. Okay, so right now Chenna came and is giving the reviews and ratings and submitted. Done. Now let's say, okay, so after few minutes, let's say after 1 hour, I'm just giving 1 hour here, it's not a mandatory, or after 1 minute, I'll just use 1 minute, otherwise you will think that, oh, it's required 1 hour. After 1 minute, let's say, okay, Sudhakar came, okay, Sudhakar hitting the triple RS product 1. Triple RS product 1. Now can he see the reviews and ratings entered by Chenna or not?
We can see.
Yes or no? Can he see the reviews and
Yes.
ratings entered by Chenna? Answer is yes. Okay. Now assume that this is the right now I'll go here /p/triple RS product 1, and this is the Sudhakar, and he hit it and come down and go to the reviews and ratings. It's not showing. Why? Not showing. Why are anyone?
You're not synchronized.
Not synchronized. Okay, not showing. Why?
Approval.
Okay, so the reason is so you Chenna submitted the reviews and ratings. It will go for approvals. It will go for approvals. So if they don't approve it, then it will not come. So that's why I said. So in the real time, why we go with the third party integration? This is the reason. It will go for the approvals. Now let's say Chenna is given the bad review rating, then I will not approve it. Or I will edit it, I will modify it, I can do whatever I want. So therefore, right now Chenna is given reviews and rating. After 1 minute, Sudhakar is hitting that the same product. And can he see it? Yes, but not showing because it will go for approvals. Now let's see the approval process. Let's see the approval process. Okay, I'll go to the product cockpit. I will go to the product cockpit, and you can see there is a reviews and ratings here. Reviews and ratings here, and you can go here. Okay, so can you please observe here? Can you please observe here? Chenna already entered the reviews and ratings for this product, but I am not able to see why. I should see here, right? You can see there is here reviews and ratings. I should see, but I am not seeing why. Anyone can guess it? Okay, so Chenna entered reviews and ratings, then okay, then in back office or product cockpit, we should see those. Then only I can approve it, reject it, and all. We should see those, but it's not showing. Why? But it's not showing in back office.
As the admin role authorization.
I'm admin only. Yesterday I logged in as, but it's not
Third
showing.
party person should approve that, then it is available in back office.
No, to approve it only I need to see that, right? To
Yeah, no
approve,
reviews.
I entered here. I entered here. Then I go to that product. Now I should see here such a way that I will approve it or I will reject it. But I am not finding here. What could be the
You
reason?
done in staging, is it?
Sorry?
Online to staging.
Yes. Okay. Please remember this. Please remember this. That's what you need to remember. I already told you website is connected with the online data. Right now I opened the staged product. That's why you are not able to see. So therefore, what is the reason? So website is connected with the online data. Connected with the online data. So right now I opened staged, hence we are not able to see. Right now I opened staged, hence not able to see. That's it. hence not able to see. Now let me go to the online. Let me go to the online product. So I'll go here, select this online and search for the RRS product. What happened? Okay, go here, RRS product 1. Apparel product catalog. RRS product 1 staged. Okay, online is not coming because we need to perform the index. Okay, so let me do one thing. I will go to the back office. I'll go to the back office. You can go to the categories. You can go to the products. Let's look for RRS product 1. Okay, you can see it's not showing here online. Why it's not showing online? Tell me.
Index is not done.
Okay, because we have not performed the index. Let me do one thing. I'll perform the index, then it will come. Go to the facet. Go to the facet and apparel UK indexer. Oh no, I need to perform the back office one. Select the back office one and to perform the indexer so that it will go to the Solar document. So that it will go to the Solar document. So once this is finished, you should be able to see. Once this is finished, then you should be able to see. Yeah, this is finished. Now go here, product cockpit, and go to the online, search it. What happened? It's not coming. RRS product catalog only, right? No. I selected the wrong one. Apparel product catalog. Apparel product catalog online. Now search it. Now you can see online is coming. Same way you can go to the back office and see once. So in the back office earlier it was not showing, right? Earlier it is not showing. Now search with RRS product 1. Is it showing now online?
Yes.
Yes. So therefore, if you do the sync, then the data will go to the Solar. From the Solar, you get the results and it will show. Okay, good. Now let's come back to the product cockpit again. Let's come back to the product cockpit again. Open the online version and go to the reviews and ratings. Now, do you see whatever Chenna entered here? Do you see whatever Chenna entered here?
Yes.
Yes. Now I can go here, edit it, and I can block it. Okay, I can approve it. So you can see pending for approval. I can approve it, and I can also modify if I want. I can also modify if I want. This much of control is there. Okay, then do all these things and click on save. Now, if Sudhakar comes, okay, after approval, if Sudhakar comes, then he can see. Okay, now I am just refreshing it. Now this is the Sudhakar right now. Go to the reviews and ratings, you can see. You can see all the things are coming. So this is the OOTV out of the box reviews and ratings given for us. This is the OOTV out of the box reviews and ratings given for us. That's it. Okay, if you have any questions till now, you can go ahead and ask, else we'll go to the next scenario. Any questions so far?
Yeah, Chenna, for the stock increase, I mean, in real time, do we increase or will take in?
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, let's say I am adding some items to cart. Can you see this one? I'm adding some items to cart. So this is one. I will just make this as 0. Now you can see I have this item, this item. Let me add one more item. Let's say I will go on to add this item to cart. Whatever may be the quantity here. So you can add 3 quantity, you can add 4 quantity. Quantity is not a matter. Like this, I added these items to cart today. So the next scenario is what? So let's say customer added items to cart today, which is nothing but what? 7th September. Customer added items to cart, which is nothing but 7th September. Let's say he added 4 items or whatever may be the items. Now he's coming back. He's coming back after 10 days. Let's say he is coming back on 17th September. He's coming back 17th September. He's coming back 17th September. By the time, do you think that these products are still valid? Okay, by that time, do you think that these products still valid? When I say still valid, what does that mean? So maybe some products are not having no valid date. Okay, not approved by that time. Okay, next is what? Not approved by that time. Okay, do you think that? And no stock by that time, no stock by that time, and so on, so on. Okay, look at here, please. Customer added some items to cart on 7th September, and he's coming back after 10 days, let's say 18th September. Okay, by that time, do you think that these products still valid? What is the meaning of still valid? Still valid means assume that a product whatever he added no more having the valid date. Assume that a product whatever he added no more approved. Assume that whatever products added not having the stock, and so on, so on. Then do you expect when customer comes to cart, do you expect those to be deleted? Do you expect, let's say the item right now I added this here, I'm coming back after 10 days. Assume that by that time this is not approved. Assume that by that time this is not having valid date. Assume that by that time this is not having the stock. Do you expect this to be deleted automatically or not? Do you expect this to be deleted automatically or not? Am I disconnected?
No, Chenna. Yeah.
Okay. Now look at here, please. Look at here, please. Yes, we expect this to be deleted. Okay, because after when I come back after 17th or when I come back on 18th September, so assume that this is not approved by the time. Today it is approved. Tomorrow it can be rejected, right? So today it is having valid date. Tomorrow it may not be valid. So today it is having the stock. Tomorrow it may not have the stock. Okay, so that means after 10 days this might not valid. If not valid, do you expect them to delete from the cart? Yes. Okay, so do you expect them to delete from the cart? Yes. Answer is yes. Now let's see if it is happening or not. So this is one of the common scenario in the companies here. So now let's say I will take this product. You need to observe this one, please. For now, I'll just go to the back office here. So search this product, and for this product, what I will do is that. Okay, for this product, what I will do is that. So this product is not having valid date. So that means no, I will put the valid dates. So this is valid from September 1st to September 6th. Okay, it is not having valid. Now let me take one more product which is unapproved. By the time this will be unapproved. Can you please observe here? This is unapproved. And for the next product, assume that no stock, and so on, so on, so. Can you please observe here? Like that scenario we have. Now I am coming and clicking on checkout. When I click on the checkout, okay, now it is asking me to log in. So let me log in as a guest. Guest is not available. Log in and check out. Why guest is not coming? Let me go here and click on checkout. Okay, so the reason is it's already okay. You can see here the reason is it's already having this account. Let me log out here.
Logged in.
Then we should be fine. Okay, now that items are gone. Anyway, that's okay. So now I will go here. Let me do one thing. These items are having the problem. Okay, this is one more product, right? So let me go to these products and make them as approved. And one more product is there, right? This product. Let me put the validity for that product. Let me put the validity for that product. Removing these dates are nothing but putting the validity. Okay, now go here. So let me add those products to cart. Let me add those products to cart. So I will take this. Let's say quantity is 4 or 5, whatever it may be. Add the item to cart. Now I will take this. Add the item to cart. Let's go here. Let's say 4 quantity. Add the item to cart. Now let me go here and add one more item to cart. Okay, so I will add this item to cart. Let's say 3 quantity. Add the item to cart. This is what I have right now. So 3, 4, 5, whatever it may be. Now, as I said, right? So the first one, okay, now I will make invalid. Okay, I will make invalid by 18th. So this is invalid. It is having not valid dates. Now second one, I will unapprove it. Second one, I will unapprove it. So I can go here, you can unapprove it, you can check it, whatever it is here. And click on save. Now customer is coming on 18th September. Customer is coming on 18th September. So now I am the customer. I came to 18th September. Okay, now these are the things and click on checkout. Now it is asking me to log in or place order as a guest. Now I'll place the order as a guest. Okay, I'll place the order as a guest. Now do you see those 2 items got removed? Can you observe here? Those
Yes.
2 items got removed. Yes or no?
Yes, Chenna.
These 2 are not valid. Those are removed. So therefore, now you can see the message. You need to let's understand the code also for this. You can see the message. So the message is what? You can see unfortunately is common between these 2. Unfortunately is common, right? This is common. And this is the product name. Can you observe here? This is the product name. And this is the product name. Are you guys are observing?
Yes, name and size also.
Unfortunately is the common. After that, the product name. Then you have some more message again, which is common. You have some more message. Was removed from the cart. Was removed from the cart. Sorry, what happened? Okay, so let's say I'll go on to this color. I want to show you the code for this here because this is one more nice way of writing the code. So that means you have the message. Can I say this message is dynamically updated with a certain part? So this
Yes.
product name dynamically updated, right?
Yes, yes.
This is the product name dynamically updated. And this is static. So let me say this way. So this is static and this is a dynamically coming. Dynamic and this is again static. Can we see the code how you can create a message? Can we see a code how we can create the message where certain part is static, certain part is dynamically picked? Can we see the code for this?
Yeah, Chenna.
Okay. So therefore, now what I am trying to say that let me take the word called unfortunately, or you can take this piece. Whatever you want, you can take this. Whatever common you can take, or unfortunately also you can take. Okay, so this is what you have. Okay, so I will go to the code, and these are nothing but what? These are nothing but what? Properties, right? So these are nothing but properties. So therefore, let's go and look the changes. So please remember this. Okay, let me ask this question first before I show you the code. These are nothing but properties. Now, if I take entire value and search, do I get it? If I take entire value and search it, do I get it?
No.
No. Why no? The reason is certain part is dynamically filled. So therefore, don't take entire message and search. You will not find. So take the one which is common. So let's say I am taking this one. And search in the properties files. Search in the properties files. Okay. So step number 1 is what? Search in *properties files, static content. So now you can see here, I got some results. You can see here, I got some results. Now, do I need to focus on first and third? Do I need to focus on first extension, third extension?
No.
No need. You can directly jump onto the second one. The reason is right now I am in Y-accelerator storefront. Okay, therefore go there. And can you observe this message? Can you observe this one? Basket.validation.unavailable. And you can see this is what exactly we have. I will just remove this space so that I can explain you. This is what I have. Similarly, so we have one more thing called, see this is called unavailable, right? And there is one more, yeah. Okay, so you can see here, unfortunately, so on, so these are all the things are there. Unfortunately, no longer available. Okay, can you see this one? This is the message we configured. This is the message configured. Where I will go here, and this is the property, or this is the message. No stock, nothing like that. I'll just take these two and put it here. Okay, so this is how you have it. So now if you observe here, the message here, so this is a static one. After that, 0 is there. That 0 will be filled dynamically. How? Now let me show you in the JSP file. So after that, step number 2, search in *.jsp or *.tag. That's where you create the UI. That's where you create the UI. So how do I search it? Okay, now look at here, please. If I go on to search, okay, I have two options now. I can search with this entire key. You need to understand this one, please. I can search with this entire key. I can search with this, sorry. Okay, I can search with this entire key. So let me go on to search and show you first. I can search with the entire key. Let me go on to search that entire key in the JSP or tag file. Let's see what happens. See, I'm not finding anything. Why I'm not finding anything? Okay, if I search the entire key, no results. Because if you observe the key, can you observe the key? So there is a basket.validation, then this is different. Basket.validation, then this is different. Basket.validation, then low stock, okay, coupon not applied, voucher not applied, no stock, low stock, unavailable, like that. Only this third one is changed, right? Third one is changed. And this is decided based on the logic or not? Low stock, how do you know? Based on the logic, right? No stock, how do you know? Based on the logic. Unavailable, how do you know? Based on the logic. So that means this is fixed and this will come dynamically. Yes or no? So this is fixed and this will come dynamically. Okay, so dynamic. This is fixed and this will come dynamically. So that's why don't search with this entire thing. Search till this. So if I search with this, I did not get anything. Now I will search with this. Then you will find the results and you will see after that whatever you have will come dynamically, and I'll show the logic how it will be. You can go and put this and search it. So when I search it, you can see I am able to find the results in the Y accelerator, and you can see there is a nice logic here. You can see there is a nice logic here. Okay, all right. Okay, now can you see this one? Spring theme. Can you observe this one? Spring theme, basket dot cart validation dot, then this dollar symbol something. So this is the logic. That logic will tell us, is it no stock, is it low stock, is it unavailable, or is it unapproved, like that. Okay, so therefore basket dot validation dot, if it is giving low stock, then this will be executed. If it is giving unavailable, then this will be picked. This will be picked. Then in that you can see there is a variable message that is nothing but the first argument, second argument, like this. Okay, now let me take this and show you here. So this is the logic we created. This is the logic we created. Let me show you what does it mean. This is the UI logic we created. Now can you observe the UI logic, please? In the UI logic, basket dot validation we have taken from here. Okay, then this is coming dynamically. This will tell, is it unavailable? If it is unavailable, that logic is saying that unavailable, then this will be replaced with what? Unavailable. So therefore basket dot validation dot unavailable meaning is what? Basket dot validation dot unavailable meaning is this one. Now in this unfortunately is there, after that 0 is there. That 0 is nothing but the first argument. What is the first argument? Can you read it? This 0 will be filled with the first argument value. What is the first argument value?
Product
okay.
name,
Entry dot product dot name. So that name is coming here and the remaining is coming as it is. That's how the logic is built for this. That's how the logic is built for this. That's what I said. This is a nice conclusion. You need to understand how this logic is created. There are two things. One is how to pass the dynamic name in the property, and the second thing is that how to make property key also dynamic, value dynamic, key dynamic. So how to make the key dynamic, I explained. How to make the value dynamic, I explained. This is a nice example here because this is very useful in the real time. So if you have any question on this, you can ask me, else we will move to the next one. Any question? Are you guys are there? Am I disconnected?
There, sir.
Okay, good. If no questions, now you tell me. So there is a user story. So what is the user story? User story is like this. Okay, customer added items to cart on 7th September. And okay, so coming back on, let's say 18th September. By that time, if any invalid or if any if any invalid items, then remove from cart when customer comes to cart page. So this is the user story. Tell me, is this the OOTB or customization?
OOTB.
Tell me, is it a OOTB or customization?
OOTB.
Okay, good. So this is the customization. That's what I told you very clearly. So what the user requirement, user story here, that's what here. This is the huge gap we observe in the real time. Customer is telling very clearly what is the requirement. Customer added items to cart, coming back on 17th. By the time, if any invalid items, remove from cart when customer is coming to cart page.
It was checkout is okay.
So when it will be removed, if I come to cart page, it is not removing. If I come to cart page, it is not removing. In the cart page, if I click on checkout, then it is removing. That's the out of the box. If you come to cart page, it is not removed. And if customer is asking this requirement, then it is a customization. So what is OOTB? Customer comes to cart page.
Checkout page.
Customer comes to cart page and click on checkout button and enter details. If already login, that's fine. You know, at least checkout button. Click on checkout button. Then it will be removed. That's the OOTB. Then it will be removed. That's the OOTB. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, Chenna.
This is very important. Like this, you need to visualize the subject. Because I see these mistakes, at least 4 or 5 situations in the real time. And they will say initially it is a customization. Now customer, when they're testing in the UAT, they say, no, it's not removed. I expected that to be removed when customer coming to the cart page. My story is clear, like that you will say. Then last minute you will not have time to code all these things and so on, so on. That's the challenge. Okay, all right. If this is clear, if you have any questions so far, you can go ahead and ask, else we'll cover the next one.
This conference will now be recorded.
So the next scenario is product references. Okay, product references are, so you have a concept called upsell cross-sell. Upsell cross-sell. What is upsell cross-sell here? Anyone?
Yeah, like when we are trying to, select one product, it will give suggestion like, the other products which are related to that.
What is the upsell? What is the cross-sell? That's it.
Let's say
what is the upsell? What is the cross-sell? That's it. Okay, so let's this is one of the excellent concept here. Again, you will get everything as a OOTB. So what is the meaning of upsell? Let's say right now you are trying to buy iPhone 6. So that means you are trying to add item to cart. Okay, iPhone 6, add items to cart. So which is nothing but iPhone 6. Now right now iPhone 6 is very old. Now suggesting iPhone 10 is what? Suggesting iPhone 10 is what?
Upsell.
Upsell. Very good. That's it. Simple, straightforward. Next, second conclusion. Let's say you are buying some charger. Okay, charger. Okay, you are buying or you are adding items to cart, or you selected product. Selected. Okay, iPhone 6. When iPhone 6 you selected, suggesting all those things called, suggesting iPhone 10 is called upsell. Now let's say you selected some charger. Charger, you can see from local company chargers and Samsung company chargers, like that, right? Let's say you selected the local company. Suggesting Samsung company charger is what?
Cross-selling.
Okay, sorry. So let's do this way. Let's tell this way. Let's say you are buying again. You selected the product called iPhone 6. When you selected the iPhone 6, then suggesting power bank. There is a power bank, right? Power bank or charger. Suggesting all those things are called what?
Cross-selling.
Cross-sell. Okay, that's called a cross-sell. Charger, all those things are called cross-sell. Okay, that's it. Now you can see this functionality is there in many websites here. This functionality is there in many websites, not just one website. Okay, let's observe first.
Kind of product proposals. No?
Sorry.
Is it similar to product proposals or?
Okay, so now let's look at this functionality in different websites. Let me go to the Amazon first. Okay, Amazon.com. That's what here I said. This functionality is excellent functionality available in many websites. Available in many websites and simple functionality. It's all only data. Okay, I'll go here and select let's say iPhone 6. I think today iPhone 14 is released, right? Releasing, right? So now you can see I selected this product. Once I selected the product, come down. Do you see there are so many things here? Yeah. So can I say these are okay? Which phone is right for you? Now tell me, is the if I use the word called cross-sell, upsell, customer will hurt, right? If I let's say instead of using this name, I am using cross-sell, upsell. By looking at the name called cross-sell, upsell, you will think what? Our customer will think what? Oh, this guy is trying to take more money from me. Yes or no?
Yes.
If see the technical name is what? Cross-sell, upsell. Now, if I use the technical name cross-sell, upsell, you will think that what? Oh, I am trying to buy iPhone 6, but this guy is showing so many other things. That means he's trying to take more money from me. So that's why no one will use cross-sell, upsell. They will use user-friendly names here. Okay. So compare which iPhones right for you. It is like another cross-sell kind of thing. Cross-sell kind of thing or upsell. Now you can see like this you have so many things. Okay, like this you have so many things mentioned here. Okay, now you can see best. Okay, now tell me, is it the cross-sell or upsell?
Cross-sell.
Cross-sell, because I am looking for iPhone. Now showing all these things are called a cross-sell. Now am I using a cross-sell? No, we are just using user-friendly name so that customer can come and take this also. Now let's go to the Chrome or some other website. In most of the website, this will be there here, no doubt. So let's say I will go here and I will type Samsung TV again here. Let's say Samsung TV or AC, whatever it is. Go to the product page. So this is the product I am looking for. Now come down. Come down. Okay. Now can you see? Tell me, is the cross-sell or upsell? Just label is changed here, but internally it is what? I already selected this product, but it is showing some other products. These are called similar products, okay, which may be having more price or less price, whatever it is. Okay. Next, you can see here. Yeah, that's it. So like this, in all the websites, you have this cross-sell, upsell functionality. Like this, in all the website, you have this cross-sell, upsell functionality. That's what I said. This is very powerful one. This is very powerful one, and you can achieve this very easily. You can achieve this very easily. Now let's see this one. Okay. Now let's see how do we achieve the upsell, cross-sell, all these things very easily. So let's take this one product. I'll go to our website. I will go to our website. So let's say I'll say /p/product number. So this is the product. Now if I come down, now you can see there is a complete look. You can see there is a you may also like. Complete look you may also like. So that means what these are like a upsell product, cross-sell product, similar products, so on so. You name them whatever you want, not a matter. You name them whatever you want, not a matter. Okay, now you can look at here. Please observe the diagram. So this is the product I am looking for. This is the product I am looking for. So if this is the product I am looking for, what you are showing are nothing but this one. Now, whatever product I am looking for, can I call it as a source product? Whatever product I am looking for, can I call it as a source product?
Yes.
Yes. And whatever they are showing, can I call them as target products?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, that means end of the day all are products only, but we are calling it as source product and target product. Please understand the concept. It's very easy, simple, straightforward. Okay, I will just take this. Now go here. So as I said, this is the product I am looking for. Okay, so this is the product I am looking for. So we call them as source product. We call them as source product. And this is the products we are showing. This is the products we are showing. We call them as target products. These are all target products. These are all target products. End of the day, all are products. Can you agree? End of the day, all are products. Can you agree?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the product. This is the product. All are products only. End of the day, all are products. End of the day, all are products. No difference. End of the day, all are products. No difference. Okay. So therefore, it's just a data mapping. For this source product, map the target product. So we call this as product references. Now let's see whether we have the product references for this particular product. I will take this product, go to the back office, go to the product. Okay, select the product, and you can go to the category system, and you can see there are product references. Cross-selling, upselling, similar products like that. Now to prove that whatever you are seeing here are these, what I will do, I will just delete one. Click on save, come here, refresh it. Is it gone?
Yes.
Now tomorrow I want to make one more cross-selling. Tomorrow I want to make one more cross-selling. Then what I will do, I will go here, target product I need to add. So let me add the target product as, let me add this cap here. This cap I am adding as a cross-selling. Anyway, cross-selling, right? Anyway, it is a cross-selling. I will add this as a cross-selling. And the type is what? You can select cross-selling, upselling, but these are all technical names. For customer, okay, click on save. Now come here, refresh it. Is the cap is coming?
Yes.
Yes. See, for customer, we are showing complete view. But for us, it's a cross-selling. You are buying this. I am suggesting buy the cap also. You are buying the raincoat or that snow coat. You can also buy the cap. Like that we are suggesting. So that's why I said end of the day, all are products in the product table. This is the product in the product table. This is also product in the product table. All are products. That's it. So therefore, These are called product references, and product references, you can see product references are having type, right? That type is nothing but enum. So that means SAP Commerce already given a table called product references table. So we have a product table, product reference table. So two tables are given for us. Product table is there. Okay, product table type or table is there, which has all the products. Assume that this is the source product 1 or source product, and these are all the target products. So all these will be there here. Target product 1, target product 2, target product 3. Okay, target product 4, target product 5, target product 6. So let's say this is the P1 product 1, sorry, source product 1, and this is the target product 1, this is the target product 2, this is the target product 3. Okay, so this is the target 4, this is the target 5, this is the target 6. All are there in the product table. That's what I shown you just now. All are there in the product table. Then SAP Commerce also given one more table called the product reference table. SAP Commerce also given one more table called the product reference table. Okay, product references type or table. Okay, so product references, if you want, you can see here. So go here, search with the product references, code equal to product REFERENCE, product references. I need to search in where? Asterisk hyphen items.xml. So you can see, so product references type is also given. Yeah, product reference component, product reference collection. So product reference enums, I will tell that enums again. So you can see relation, product and product references relation. Now you can see product references. Product references table or type is given. So in that you have the columns. What are the columns? You need to understand the design, please. So here you can specify what is the source product, what is the target product, and the type. Type which is nothing but enum. Enum means fixed values. Fixed values, and it is also having one more thing called active. Is this active or not? If not active, it will not come. Like this, you have the columns. Like this, you have the columns. Now here you need to fill the data. So that means for source product 1, target product is 1, which is a type is cross sell, and active is yes. Next, for the same source product, target product 2, which is a cross sell, and active equal to yes. Are you guys are seeing how the data is mapped?
Yes, Chenna.
You guys are observing how the data is mapped. This is what exactly done. That's why we are getting that results. Okay. Now for the same source product, target product 4 is there, and this is nothing but, let's say, similar product or some other thing. Similar product type is similar, and active yes for the same sales product, and target 5, which is a similar product or cross sell product or upsell product, whatever it may be, and say active equal to true. So this is how data is managed, and there is a relation between product and product references. And tell me, what is the relation between product and product references? Product and product references, what is the relation? One to one, one to many?
One to many.
One to many. So this relation is also given. So that's what you can see here. Okay, product references relation. So you can see product references, and relation is what? Relation is, so you can see one to many. Similarly, type is given. You can see product references, and you can see, so there is a qualifier, and you can see there is a target. Target is again a product. You can see target is again a product, and you can specify the quantity if you want, and a reference type. Reference type means nothing but enum. That is nothing but this one. That is nothing but this one. So you can specify what is this. Is it a upsell? Is it a cross sell? Like that you can specify. And like this you can map the data. Once you map the data, then SAP Commerce is already having the code to pick this data and show it like this. And show it like this. That's what I said. If you go on to delete one, if I'm just deleting one reference. If I delete one reference, it will not come here. If I add one, it will come here. If I add one, it will come here, and so on, so on, so on. So this is how you have the product table. This is how you have product reference table, and this is how you have the data in it. This is how you have the data in it. That's it. Now let me ask a question. So as I said, product references is the type right now, right? Okay, you need to tell the answer now. So product references is the type right now. Okay, product references is the type right now. I'll go to the back office and go to the types. You need to tell the answer for it if you understand the correctly. So I will go to the product references and execute it to see the records. Execute it to see the records. And I go to this advanced search. Now I am specifying this source product. I am specifying this source product, which is online. Now, if I specify the source product, how many target products I will get it? How many target products I will get it?
5.
For the source product, how many target product references are there?
5.
5. So let's see if I am getting 5 or not. Am I getting 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. That's how this entire functionality is given with a simple data mapping like this. That's it here. This is the excellent functionality given for us with a simple data mapping with the product references. That's all for today. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask. Else we'll continue tomorrow.